This is Larry Shover, CIO of Efficient Advisors from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, risk assets, the stock market by and large up 11% on the year. Many people are just thinking not just what happened, but what's going to happen going forward. And I wish I could answer that, but it seems when you look at the fundamentals, the present valuation of the stock market is historically fair, and it does definitely have room to go higher. That's assuming right now that the fundamentals for earnings season stays intact and we'd get some sort of deal with China. Now, to get the stock market higher, it's going to require a lot of ifs. If you recall last week, Brainerd from the FOMC, if her talk gets codified into the FOMC language on Wednesday, that's going to help. If the ECB does deliver on its long-term refinancing operations that they keep talking about, and lastly but not leastly, if China growth continues to stabilize, if not inflecting higher, which many people think will positively influence the Eurozone given the impact that China has on the European economy. So all those things are big ifs, but if one of those comes to fruition, it could definitely get the stock market higher. One thing to notice is the stock market is up just about 11% year to date. All that the while interest rates haven't done much of anything. And so one thing to take away from that is that in order for the stock market to go higher, it's probably going to mean interest rates are going to need to remain where they are right now, if not go lower. If we see higher rates, that might spell trouble for the stock market. Now for the negative side, if there is one, GDP revisions. This backward-looking data, however, they keep getting revised down, and that's troubling a lot of people about what's going to happen with the next few quarters of data. Lastly, we definitely have a dovish Fed, a dovish U-turn of the Fed, and the Fed's going to need to talk this week and make amends with investors, as it were, on the mechanisms of what patience and flexibility means, and also with the balance sheet runoff and the change of verbatim there, and how is that going to work out in 2019. I'm Larry Shover, CIO of Efficient Advisors from the CME Group in Chicago.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.